everyone, welcome back. So I wanted to kind of show you what fits inside my bucket bag little pouch here. I went and cut all the tags off, but first, one of the things I wanted to show you was this box. I really do like I like this box because it's like a little magnet. I like that. Very nice. I like that bag. Anyway, so let's get into what fits inside here. So it's really roomy. So for me, I have a work foam and I have my personal foam, and both items can fit in here, oops, comfortably if you want. Also, I can carry my little oblique, I have a little passport holder and it can fit in here. So I still have like a ton of room. If I wanted to carry just maybe a little card holder, that will fit. And then also if I want to have a little pouch so I can put like my bags, my perfume and things like in there. Like, so you can see like I still have like a ton of room inside. So I have like both my cell phones, then I have a passport holder, I have a little wallet, and then I have a thing, and you can close it and you will still have like a ton of room left inside it. If you carry more items, I don't carry more items. This is actually a lot. I don't really carry all that. Most of the time I just carry a foam, a wallet, and actually just a wallet. That's all that I really that's all I really carry. However, if I want, I have this little cell phone holder. I don't even know what's in there. Oh, my debit cards and like some stuff that needs to be cleaned out. I can just actually like take this off if I like, and this can just sit in there like so. And if I want, I can add both my phones and I can add card wallet, and I still have like a ton of room inside of here, kind of just to carry if you went to the beach or something like that. Ton of room. So yeah, if you want to use that one or not. Another thing too is that maybe a while ago I purchased this, like they actually go together, like all of this goes in one. Like this is all like the travel kits, so if you want you can like hook them together and travel as one, and you can stick this inside and you can go about your business. I will tell you, I will do a video on both of these because these are exactly almost the same price. This one actually currently is more money than this one, and I would tell you I would go with this one. I like them both, but this is like my go-to one because they kind of have everything, but I'll go over that in a different video. But yeah, so if you want to, you can put these or you can take them apart, and if you want you can just stick that one in there. If you have just like the little saddle wallet, you can just stick the saddle wallet in there. Or if you have like the Dior, Lady Dior wallet, you can stick her in there if you like. And then I have my two cell phones, and like I said, I still have like a ton of room inside. It's a really good buy. Like I said, it's a lot of money, but for me, I will use it more. And you can actually stick this in another bag. So if you don't want it to just be into this bag, you can stick it into another bag. Thing that I wanted to add too is if you don't like the handle, you can do crossbody too. Like if you want, you can just go get a little thinner chain, and you can put it and have it with it. If you want a thicker one, you can get a thicker one and just do like a top handle, like so you can and then you can just hold it as a top handle. You can take this one off, and you can take this one off. I don't anything in there right now. But if you want, you can just have it as a top handle. Yep. So, and then also Dior, they have these they have these little straps now for travel, all the travel bags. So you can actually use like purchase these travel little straps if you want, to put on your pouch. You know, they're $6.60, or you can just buy a regular strap from somewhere else.